I'm getting ready to get food with my friends tonight. I'm kind of stressed because, well, I'm actually not stressed. I've been stressed. Okay, basically, I have been at the library for like 48 hours straight. I took my last final today. I have like a few more assignments I have to do. It's been a lot this week. I actually procrastinate everything, so it's my fault, but you know, I always get it done. So it's like, but I'm leaving tomorrow to go home for a month and a half, which is going to be very long because Thanksgiving felt long and that was only a week. I'm excited to be home for a bit and like, you know, with my mom, my sister, my dad, see all my hometown friends. It's always good to catch up with everyone. I also have a few plans that I'm excited for. This Saturday, actually, I have a party. It's my friend's birthday. It's in Atlanta, and there's like a theme for it. And a lot of people are going that I'm like mutuals with on social media, so I'm really excited to like meet people and like see what everyone's like in person. Like, it's just gonna be so intriguing. I just love to observe and like just see how people act. It's just so entertaining. I'll definitely do a video this weekend getting ready for it with my friends. I'm going to my cousin's in Atlanta. She just got an apartment recently, so we're all gonna like get ready together. So excited. Today I've been like packing basically and just cleaning my room because I want to come home to a clean room, and if I don't, I know I'm literally gonna hate my life. I like stripped my bed, I'm vacuuming, I'm going through my closet, I'm doing all of it. We're doing all of it. Speaking of, I'm about to sell a bunch of clothes. I'm gonna sell a lot of them here first, around Alabama, just because it's easier. Keep up with me on my Instagram story. I may be posting on Poshmark or one of those apps because I need to sell a lot of clothes. I'm doing like good makeup because you never know with my friend group, like could end up going to like Birmingham tonight, like who knows. Our nights just always end up not what we planned, so you just gotta be prepared for anything. Another thing I'm excited to go home for is it does not feel like Christmas at all here, like decoration wise, and it's also like 70 degrees, so I'm excited for that part because Christmas is my favorite holiday and it's so fun in Georgia, and where I live they decorate it so pretty and they have like events and things that go on, so I can't wait. Fun fact, in middle school I would literally show up with mascara all over my eyelids, like I just wouldn't take it off. By the way, this is the Kylie eyeliner I was getting questioned in my last video. In dark brown, not black. Just lining the top makes your eyes pop so much. Trying something new. I think I just found my new favorite lip combo. I just love a dark liner. My roots are so bad right now, so I'm just gonna leave my hair how it is. And let's pick an outfit. Okay, here's the outfit. Okay, I pulled the socks down. So, kind of look. This is our drink for today. I know I look kind of crazy. I literally got no sleep last night. Let's take this off. Hopefully these heatless curls turn out good. Ouch. Okay, not too promising. Okay, give me absolutely nothing, girl. What? I'm gonna do a slick back then. Okay, I'm back. This might be TMI, but does anyone else like a day before their period be like in the absolute worst mood ever? I don't think I'll get mad that easily, but like a day before I start my period, the tiniest inconvenience is like the end of the world to me. Like, it's so bad, but please tell me someone relates. Anyways, I'm so glad it's almost spring break. It's like it's taking so long to get here, and like every time I know I have a big break coming, I freaking like lock out or something. Like I need locking so bad, but that's for me after spring break to worry about. I don't know, that's so bad, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna do my eye makeup in the bathroom. Perfume combo. I know I use this in like every video, but it's just that good. And we're gonna pair it with 59. It's giving vanilla cupcake. I love it. Oh my god, that just got in my eye. Okay, here's the outfit. It's so cold, so I'm keeping this on. Love you.
Hey guys, get ready with me for a boat day in Barbados. So if you guys didn't know, I'm here in Barbados with Fenty x Puma. I've been here for a couple days and I feel like this is the first get ready with me I'm making since I've gotten here. I've just been like really enjoying it. It's so beautiful here. I've never been to Barbados, so this is my first time and I absolutely love it. I met Rihanna for the second time 2 days ago and it was just so amazing. Everyone was so hyped to see her. This is just like insane and I just still can't believe I'm here on the island that she grew up on. We drove down a street that was literally called Rihanna Drive, which is so iconic. But yeah, today is actually our last full day here, which is kind of sad because the weather is just perfection and I'm having so much fun and everyone's so nice and I don't know, I just love it here and I don't want to leave. I've been like trying to get as much sun as I can while I'm here because I know as soon as I get back to New York, it's just cold weather again and we're not gonna have nice sunshine in New York. I made some really awesome new friends here, which is the best feeling when you make new friends on a brand trip, because that's always what I'm most worried about, like not making any friends, or I don't know, I just get nervous to talk to people sometimes. But the girls that are staying, like we all have like different villas. Also, look how cute this little makeup bag is. It's from Sane. It's baby pink and it's so cute and tiny. Anyways, like I was saying, there's like 5 villas, I want to say. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but it's like Love Island, and a bunch of like all the creators were all staying in like all the different villas, and there's I think 5 creators in my villa, and they are all so nice. I love them all, and it's been so fun, which is why I'm like so sad to depart, because I'm gonna miss these people so much. The girls in my villa wanted to go out shopping today and explore the island a little since we had some time before the activity started, and I was gonna go with them, but I was so tired. I was like, you know what, I need to go back and take a nap. Since I've gotten here, I've been going to bed at like 5 a.m. and I don't know why. I think I'm still jet lagged from Thailand, which is so interesting because I was there for like 3 seconds. But yeah, I don't know, I just can't sleep until like early in the morning. So yeah, I took a nap instead, and I kind of regret it because I didn't actually really want to go out and explore the city, and I feel like they definitely had some cute little like boutiques and shops that would have some cute stuff. I really wanted to curl my hair today, but I just know it's gonna get completely messed up as soon as I get on the boat because the wind will just flatten the fuck out of it. But yeah, and then after the boat, we're getting dropped off at dinner, and then after that, I think we're going out. So that's gonna be really fun. I think I'll curl my hair for that. I have to leave in like 2 minutes. Okay, I just did brows, now I'm just doing powder. Good thing about having lash extensions is that I don't have to waste time on mascara. Okay, I've been using this like gloss bomb from Fenty, and this one's like sparkly, and it's actually so gorgeous. Okay, this is the glam for the day. Bye guys.
Hot take, spring is the worst season of the year. First of all, midterms got me looking and feeling like death himself. Second of all, I think everyone can agree this is the palest that they've ever been. I feel like literally everyone is sick. And yesterday, at the same time, I had the nastiest stomach ache and headache. I literally went to bed at 5:30. I'm not even kidding. Not to mention, today is my last competition. I'm doing the CrossFit Open, and there's 3 workouts, and today's the last workout, and this is my last try in CrossFit to make it anywhere. So imagine the stress load that's on me right now. It's pretty bad, and I'm not prepared whatsoever. At least today's the last day. Oh my god. My bronzer just broke everywhere. I have 3 tests today, and I'm not even trying to be funny when I tell you I have not studied, and I'm not looking forward to them. At least it's a short day. For spring break, I'm going to be starting this like appointment glow up series because I feel like I need self-care right now. And like I've never gotten anything done professionally, like toes or anything. So I'm going to vlog every single thing. I think I'm going to get a haircut, a blowout, a pedicure, brow lamination, eyelash extension, stuff like that. Like I'm going to be unrecognizable. Okay, my whole family's sleeping and they're all texting me that I'm yelling. So I think it's time to go. Bye.
My graduation dress is strapless, and my graduation is tomorrow. Anyway, get ready with me. I keep having to push you up because for some reason my Octobuddy is sliding down, so if you fall, ignore it. But get ready with me. It is currently 4:40. I'm leaving here in literally 5 minutes. But if you can't tell, I was at the beach again this morning, and I did get burnt again today. But I get a little break because tomorrow is my graduation. So I will be in the sun because it's going to be 100 degrees tomorrow. But I won't be tanning or burning. I'm actually happy with my color so far though, because it's only the second day that I've been going to the beach, and I feel like I got good color for the start, and then the beauty filter's on here, but my freckles are coming out too, so I'm so excited. Okay, I took the beauty filter off, but you can like see they're like slowly starting to come in. I'm not gonna do that much makeup because makeup just doesn't really look good over sunburn for me. I don't know, but pray that it looks good tomorrow, because tomorrow it needs to look good. You keep falling. I just shut my phone off, but you literally keep falling, and I don't know why, because I didn't get my Octobuddy wet today because I didn't go in the water, because the water was literally in the negatives. It was freezing. I would do more makeup, but I really just don't want to, and then I also don't want to blow dry my hair, so I guess we're going natural today. But okay, I'm done. I need to leave. So I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Get ready with me. So, if you can't tell, I laid out in the sun quite a bit today. I got really red, but honestly I'm okay with it because I know in a few days it will turn into a tan. I'm getting ready to go to a friend's house for like a little get together. I don't know. But I'm getting ready like really early because I want to just chill and watch Love Island. Lillian, I think, is on her way. I know she's bringing me a smoothie, but I don't know if she's getting ready here or at her house. I am seriously so tired. Like, laying out, I feel like always just takes it out of me, so I might need to go get a Celsius or something too. I've been trying to not wear a lot of makeup this summer because my skin has been so bad for the last few months. But like going to stuff like this makes me like want to get ready and like at least look like somewhat put together. I'm going to Florida in like 3 weeks and I'm so excited to finally just be able to like chill by the beach. I'm literally so excited. Also, excuse my hair literally looking like an egg right now. I also really need to eat something. All I've had today is vodka pasta and Dippin' Dots. She's literally almost at Juice Land. I am so excited. Lillian is such a sweetheart. I was telling her that I like wanted to get a smoothie, or like I really wanted fruit for some reason, and she was like, oh my gosh, like I'll get you a smoothie, and I was like, you are so cute. I haven't been this burnt since last summer, and last summer my nose like got really burnt and I would like pick at it because it would be so dry and then it started bleeding. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. Just like fully wiped all of my lip stuff off, but this is the best lip product literally ever. I've said this a million times, but Benetint, you need this. I just put it like on the edges of my lips and then rub it in, and then I literally can't pronounce this, but on top of it I go in with the Tarte Juicy Lip. We literally start classes in a month for school. I'm so like upset. Next I'm putting on some mascara. Okay, next I'm putting on some mascara, and before anyone comes for me, this is literally lash extension mascara, so I'm good to wear it. Okay, that made no difference, but it's okay. I have shampooed my hair probably 20 times in the last 24 hours because it like low-key turned green in the pool yesterday. But I've gotten most of it out now. But if you have blonde hair and you get highlights, you know the struggle in the summer. Like, I showered once I got home from the pool today, and I seriously have never used so much shampoo. I think I'm ready. I don't really feel like doing anything else, to be honest. Now I can go watch Love Island and not have to stress about getting ready. Yeah, wear your sunscreen.
Get ready with me for school, except it started at 7:40 and right now it is 9:01. So I kind of need to hurry because I have a test, and let's just say I did not study for that, but it's okay. I think I'll be fine if it's on quizzes, but if it's on Delta Math, I'm not. Yeah. Most of my makeup right now is in my backpack at school. No, not at school. It's in my mom's car, but it's in my backpack because I decided to bring it to school and I forgot to take it out. So I'll just have to make random things work. Okay, so today I'm gonna try and hang out with Katie after school. If you guys know who Katie is. Some of you do, but if you don't, it's a girl I met at volleyball. I love her. But yeah, I'm gonna try to hang out with her, and if I can't, then I'm probably just gonna stay home all day. And then tomorrow morning we have a volleyball tournament. Guys, at my last volleyball tournament, there were these girls. Okay, I was in the middle of playing though, and after I got done playing, everybody came up to me and was like, there were these girls and they saw you and started crying. And like, I just felt so bad because they said that they just they were over there for a little bit, and then like I was playing those, so I couldn't come say hey to them or anything. And I felt so bad, but I'm pretty sure I did end up meeting them. If they were the same girls that came up to me, I'm pretty sure they were because that's what some people told me. But if I didn't get to meet you, I'm so sorry. But I literally love it when I get to meet people that follow me and stuff, because it's just so fun and sweet. So if you guys ever see me in public, please don't feel scared to come up to me. But there also were some people that were videoing me while I was playing, and it's not that I'm mad about it at all, because it's just a part of doing TikTok. It's just so embarrassing because
I don't know, it makes me so nervous, and then it makes me like mess up. But the amount of times there's been so many off guard pictures. I accidentally cut myself off, but pictures of me. And then my friends will like send the pictures that people like post, the off guard pictures that people post of me. Oh my gosh, it's literally so embarrassing, but it's okay. Like, it's okay. Like, okay, so one time I had just got done with the volleyball tournament, and this was when I was about to go to Canada, so I needed some like clothes to wear. So I was just at this like random place, like shopping, I guess. I walk into a Lululemon, right? And there are these girls like just standing there, and I could tell they noticed me, but I could not tell that they were taking a picture of me. And guys, I was wearing my like volleyball joggers that they like give us to wear, which are orange, black, and purple. And the hoodie I was wearing was like this color, and like it had like white design on it. Oh my gosh, when I saw the picture, I just, no. But now that I think about it, it was honestly funny. It was also one of me and Katie like keeping score. But again, guys, I just think it's funny. I'm not mad at all. Okay, so I think this is gonna be it. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.